Save this recipe for your next busy week. Today we're gonna be making our pesto mozzarella chicken sandwiches from Beehive Mills. First I have ciabatta buns. We have sliced mozzarella cheese, butter, and garlic salt, a tomato, some fresh arugula, and our already cooked and shredded pesto mozzarella chicken from Beehive Mills. First I'm gonna start off by slicing my ciabatta buns. Next we're gonna take our butter and spread it on the buns. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt. Now we're gonna broil our ciabatta buns just until golden brown. While that's in the oven, I'm gonna start slicing our tomato. Now we're gonna top with our pesto mozzarella chicken from Beehive Mills. Now we have our sliced mozzarella cheese. Now I'm gonna throw this back on the broiler just until the cheese is melted. Now our cheese is melted, I'm just gonna top with some sliced tomato, some fresh arugula, and a little balsamic glaze. And we're done. You have to try this one.